Hello student, I am Deepak sir from RPS schools. Today India is fighting with COVID-19 coronavirus. The order of the Prime Ministers कि all school and college will be closed 3 May 2020. Our school decided कि online classes provided to the student. So I am very agree with school and so today start the first chapters of the grammar book. These are very important chapters. Chapter name sentence and types of sentence. Very important. Okay, what is a sentence? Sentence is the group of words that make complete sense या complete meaning. For examples, education is the key of success. These are four examples. So here are many group have education, group 1, each, group 2, the, group 3, key, group 4, of, group 5, success, group 6. The whole group make the complete meaning. Suppose one group is erase. Suppose I erase is each. This is incomplete. Education, the key of success. That is a meaningless sentence. So I say every group is important. After make complete sense. Number 2 example I have कि group have but incomplete. Suppose write down blue the sky is. All group have present but meaning not less. Not meaning. Blue the sky is. All group have but incomplete. To complete sentence, arrange the sentence. Sky is the blue. The sky is the blue. This is a complete meaning. To every part is very important. Arrange the sentence after meaningful sentence. Meaningful sentence, the correct answer. Suppose you command of the sentence, do you very easily make this essay, paragraph, story writing, paragraph writing, या application, या letter, very easily write them with the help of sentence. So sentence is very important for the all students. Without sentence, you not make the any essay, letters, application. So I see. So number 2 part, types of sentence. There are according to me 4 type of sentence. Number 1, declarative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. The first number, declarative sentence which give the information about the anything. That is called declarative sentence. Or declarative sentence divided into 2 parts. Number 1 part, affirmative sentence. Number 2 part, negative sentence. Affirmative part give the positive sense. Only positive sense. That is called affirmative part. Affirmative sentence. Negative sentence give the only negative. For examples, I go to Patna. This is a positive sense. I don't go to Patna. This is a negative sense. Positive is simple have only positive. Negative 3 many part have. Suppose in the sentence I know no come to negative sentence. NOT not come negative sentence. Yeah, any be or never come to negative sentence. Yeah, NOTHING nothing come to negative sentence. Suppose one example. I never go to park. To never have negative sense. Not always no या not come. Sometime negative, never come. Sometime no come. Sometime not come. Yeah, sometime nothing. Number two, I have no money in my pocket. No is a negative sentence. I don't want nothing. Nothing is called negative sentence. Here many sentence. You gotta make the 1000 sentence with the help of affirmative, with the help of negative sentence. Affirmative sentence convert into negative. So some rules have. Suppose write down present tense have to don't use, D-O-N-O-T. Past tense have to didn't use. And future have to will shall, will not, just shall not use. For example, I read the book. I read the book have to the present indefinite. To here this sentence convert into negative. So I do not read the book. Do not come to negative sentence. Suppose I write down I help the poor. This is past tense. I did not help the poor. This is a negative sentence. I will go to park. I will not go to park. This is a negative sentence. Number two important here is past tense time. Past indefinite tense time. Always didn't use. Or always V1 use. I see here कि I help the poor. To help HELPD, help V2 have. But the V2 convert into V1. When the negative sentence convert. I help the poor. I help the verb to have convert into V1. One example. I help the poor. I did not help HELP. Not LEPD. Help write down. Help the poor. After this correct sentence. These are rules have negative sentence time V1 used. Always convert into V1. The rule regulation many have. Declarative sentence. Do you make this 1000 sentence with the help of affirmative? 1000 sentence with the help of negative sentence. Number two part, interrogative sentence. Sentence which asks question. That is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative है two name. Interrogative sentence या question sentence. Name two but meaning same. Some book have interrogative sentence, some book have ask question sentence. There are many rules in the interrogative sentence. First, indicators to question marks. Indicator of the interrogative sentence. Give one example of do you know this question? Do you know this question after question marks? These are question marks. Okay. Rules have कि helping verb always first come or end of sentence question marks. Affirmative sentence end of sentence full stop. Declarative sentence end of full stop. But interrogative sentence time end of sentence question marks. These are very important symbols of indicators. And very easily you catch the sentence. This is a negative sentence, this is a affirmative sentence, this is a question sentence. तो helping verb always come, after subject come, after verb come. Clear? To the main sentence, first of all, affirmative convert into interrogative very easily. Very easily. The education is the key of success. To helping verb IS is first each come. Each education the key of success. and after question mark to convert into interrogative sentence very easily. You convert into interrogative sentence very easily. Yeah. After then, helping verb divided into three parts. Number one, do to do verb. After then, have to verb. After then, to be verb. To do verb have three: did, do, does. To be verb have three: is, am, are, was, were. Have to verb three: has, have, had. These are indicators, helping verb or helping or always coming in the interrogative sentence. First word. After an or end of sentence, question sentence. End of sentence, question marks. This is a very important sentence. I have pain. To have it a helping verb, first come have I pain? Question marks. The question sentence. Yeah, interrogative sentence. No problem. Many sentence, 1000 sentence from the help of the interrogative sentence. Or number three part of types of sentence, imperative sentence. This is very conversation time. This sentence use imperative sentence, conversation time, talking time. Very important. और imperative sentence structure have कि V1 plus object is very important. Imperative sentence start from the V1, not V2, not V3, not V4, not V5. Start from the V1. These are rules. One example. Open the window. Open the window. To open is called V1. The window is the object. This is compulsory. V1 plus object come. This is a compulsory structures. Or with the help of the V1 or with the help of the object, you make the 1000 sentence. You make more, no problem. You decide. Number two, please or don't when the add in the imperative sentence to this is a request sentence. Somebody you want to request sentence with the help of the please use. Please open the window. Please add the request sentence. Don't open the window. This is order sentence. Command. There are two commands. Request command or order command. You decide which sentence you use. Request sentence, younger to elder. Order sentence, elder to younger. Any. You make the many sentence from the imperative sentence. You have V1 always use, an object use, and after complement use. They say go in class. To go is go V1, but in class the complement है, not object. तो sometime object come, sometime complement come. Help the poor. The help is called V1 or poor is called object. Please come in. The please the request sentence come. The V1 in class. Please come in class. In class it complements word. Sometime object come, sometime complement come. Clear? Very important. To make the many sentence. To imperative sentence either two type have order या request. Only two types of word. Order gift don't use. Request have, please use. Yes, simple, not order, not request. Simple word to only simple V1 start. Write on, write in the book. Yeah, write in copy. Erase the papers. Erase the handwriting. Erase is called V1 handwriting the object. Number 4 number 4 type of sentence, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence which have suddenly feelings. That is called exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, exclamatory marks also. On exclamatory sentence the word have the hooray, alas, wow. This is an indicator word, exclamatory word, or exclamatory marks used. See, one example I have the hooray, India won the match. The hooray is called exclamatory word or opposite I. This type I have na opposite I, that is called exclamatory marks. Wow, nice pen. Wow is called exclamatory sentence. Alas, my dog is died. Wow, yeah, alas, yeah, hooray. The indicators of exclamatory word opposite I. Did you 1000 sentence from the imperative sentence, 1000 sentence from negative, 1000 sentence from the interrogative sentence, 1000 imperative sentence, 1000 from the exclamatory sentence. You are make the very good command in the sentence. After very easily you make AC, paragraph writing, story writing, letters, application, very easily write down or very good marks from the your handwriting. You take very good marks with the help of the sentence. Now, up next part I will start in the next class. Thank you so much.